The Sony Xperia 2 2026 represents Sony's bold return to the premium smartphone arena with a device clearly tailored for content creators and multimedia enthusiasts. Building on Sony's strengths in imaging, display, and audio technology, the Xperia 2 is expected to feature a cutting-edge camera system co-developed with Sony's Alpha team, combining large sensors and advanced computational photography for stunning photos and professional-grade video recording. Its display is rumored to be a vivid 4K or near 4K OLED panel with high refresh rate, ideal for editing photos, watching content, or reviewing footage on the go, while the inclusion of powerful stereo speakers and high-resolution audio support makes it a standout for media consumption. Under the hood, the phone is anticipated to run on a top-tier Snapdragon chipset with ample RAM and storage, delivering flagship-level performance for multitasking, creative apps, and gaming, along with robust battery capacity and fast charging to keep creators productive all day. Sony's emphasis on pro-level tools, adaptive Sony multimedia software, and potential integration with professional workflows positions the Xperia 2 as a uniquely capable smartphone geared toward creators who want to do more than just capture moments. They want to craft them.